YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I crimp my hair, because a lot of people have been texting me asking me to do their crimps and crimps, however you say it, do their crimps or basically show them how. So it was highly requested from Facebook, not Instagram, because I didn't post the crimps. I have a hair page, but I just post my work on Facebook most of the time. But someone asked me how I do my crimps, so for today's video I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I get that crimped look and how to make your crimps tight and make them stay for a long time. But if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and like this video, comment below and let me know what you think, and turn on the notification bell for any future videos, because you'll get notified whenever I'm posting in the future. I'm just going to tell you guys about the hairstyle that I have. So this is not a lace front. This is actually a closure. It is a closure wig. I did it myself. I believe the inches are, the inch is a 26, I believe. A 26, 22, and a 18. Yeah, the closure is an 18. I have a closure, so I'm gonna start off by basically fixing my baby hairs. I have a new setting. What do you guys think about my new setting? I do need to put a couple more things up, but what do you guys think about this setting? I like this lighting. It's much better than the lighting that I've had before. At first, honestly, I cannot see this camera because I'm so blind and I don't know how this is gonna work. So I might just use a mini mirror just to see myself doing my baby hairs. They don't look really bad, but they look bad. But let's get into this makeup though. I should have did a tutorial on how I got this makeup look, but I already did my makeup. Yeah. Oh, and I got this hair from a beauty supply. This is not from online, so I really don't know what the brand is called, so do not ask in the comments, please. Thank you. And these are the crimps that I'm going to be using. They're CONAIR crimps. I have a lot of spritz on them because I spray my hair actually while the hair is in the crimps, and I have a bad habit. These are the crimps that I use. I highly recommend these. You can get them from Walmart or Target, I believe. But yeah, let's start blow drying this. I use this mousse for my edges because I don't like using the spray because it can make it pretty hard and it's hard to comb it, and by the time you comb it you'll be combing out your legs because it's so hard to comb out. So I recommend this so your baby hairs don't be really hard, and that way it'll be so easy to do them. I love using mousse on my hair, period, because it just makes it, instead of using so much got-to-be spray, I just use mousse. It's really good. I highly recommend this. Do not use spray on the top of your hair because spray can make it really hard. The edges, y'all, they probably look crazy because mind you, I can't see my camera. I'm horrible. Y'all so stupid. I didn't even start them up. What the fuck? Okay, so it comes with the 1.5. It has 1.5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm gonna turn it all the way up to 30. Because I don't know, I just feel like when it's not as hot, it doesn't really give you the right effect. So 30 it is. I'm just gonna start in the front. I start in the front. I don't really start in the back. I don't know why, but I don't like starting in the back. So yeah. So I start in the front and I just spray a little bit of spray. Don't go overboard. Your hair's gonna be really crunchy. Okay, so I just start at the top and then I hold it down and I hold this part up. Well, I don't hold it all the way up, but just a little. Y'all, this look good. This gonna look so good. It started off good. I'm gonna basically fast forward the video so you guys can see how the crimps turned out, because I don't want to take too much of your time. I already took too much of your time fixing my edges and doing all the extra stuff. So don't tell me I love you, cut it out. I just burnt the shit out of myself. Oh my done with this side. I'm gonna go back over this and a couple more on this side once I finish, but I'm gonna start on this side now. this is pretty much the finished look of my cramps and how they came out. If you guys like this video or like how they turned out, be sure to comment below and let me know what you think about them and how did I do. Comment below any other hair video ideas or any other videos that you would like to see from me next, because I'm going to do them, all of them. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for any future videos so you can get notified when I post in the future. But that pretty much ends this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.